Zino ze zimu ku mpompogoma ezisangibwa ku mbalama z'enguudo mu ggombolola y'e Bufunda mu munisipali ey'Ibanda. Tutegedde nti ebyalo 3 okuli Buzaaba, Kakorogoto ne Bufunda B bye bisinze okukosebwa ekizibu kino. Okusinziira ku batuuze, zino zivudde ku nkuba efudde embentakira ekiviiriddeko ettaka okugyamu ennyafa.
Ekifere gy'ekibyo kibaraka buri kugwenzura kiguma nikiyongera kugenda buri kugwenzura kiguma nikiyongera kugenda. Turigere kuziika omwana muto wa P3 omwana afiire baye bari ha kitanda bagwijegire kiro kizenzura ya maana munonga n'ekitanda nakibyona tusangire n'abaana bali okwa
enjura kwe kugwa amezi gaba mingi kyona kijura omuhanda gwitu ogwona gwizura amezi amezi gatwara ebintu.
Mu kaseera kano empompogoma zino zisukka obuwanvu bwa mita 3 okukka wansi. Abatuuze batubudde ng'abantu bwe batandise n'okufiiramu.
Ekyo kifere gye kimu kuleeba eki kimazireho abaana biitu tuyina amazu nga gagari amuhanda ente zona nizigwamu abantu bennyini nibagwamu abaana bafeeriho mu bifure gy'omu amiizi gakubatwara gakutimbula amazu.
Mazima tuyina hitwakubaasa kuza kandi tuyina abaana bato mbwenu tugumaho harigaho omwe ondiizo niba nateeka kugumaho kugira ngu yagumana n'abaana biitu batakatorera enyuma bakagwa mu kifo egi enyuma obuhwire mu kwezi okuhwire hina bafiire.
Kandi tusaba ngu mutuyambe gavumenti ahimusitamu mutuyambe niitwe twaremwa twasoberwa kantuteera obururu katurwana kanitugira itwe muturekire kimutwesiriize kikantureba ebintu byingi nibikorwa ahabwenki itwe mutakutuyamba.
Ssentebe wa disitulikiti y'Ibanda Herbert Mayanja ategeeza nga batalina nsimbi za kukola ku mpompogoma zino.
The district engineer and the municipal engineer, they went there and costed that gully and they gave us the estimate of 7 billion, which we don't have as a district, which we don't have as a municipality.
Agamba beekubidde enduulu eri minisitule y'ebyentambula wabula mpaawo okuyambibwa kwe baali bafunye.
We took the matter to the Minister of Finance and the Minister of Works. Even the State Minister for Works, Honorable Byamukama, came here and went to the gully. He saw it and promised to sort out that problem. But up to now, we are still waiting. We have not seen any response from the ministry.
RDC w'Ibanda Godfrey Mbetegereize obuzibu butadde kubonona obutonde bw'ensi nga basima omusenyu kosa n'abayiikula amayinja.
Being caused by the water runoffs, causing mass wasting and erosion. And in my opinion, in order to help this situation, we have to deal with the cause and consequently handle effects administratively, politically and socially. Those ones who are destroying the environment upstream, the hills of Kabongo, Charuhanga and Katoma, should stop from mining those sand and stone quarries.
Akubiriza abatuuze abawangalira okuliraana ebifo bino okubyamuka ng'embeera tennasajjuka.
Those ones who are living near the channels, they should shift to another safer area. I know they are poor, but life is better than sticking with something that you can see that is life-threatening. Because the adage is that what is visible, it's easy to be desisted from. Because we should not become like those people who wait for the attack when they are aware that the attack is imminent.
Kyokka agumizza abatuuze ng'ekizibu kino bwe kigenda okunogerwa eddagala.